So here are a few basics to get started when it comes to dropshipping. First of all, you gotta pick the product you actually want to sell. Next, after you pick the product you want to actually sell, and we're gonna go into one example of the product. Let's say, for example, we're gonna be selling this product for Valentine's Day. It is the winter, so it's totally fine for you to sell something like this. In the summer, that's not gonna work. The item is gonna melt. So the first thing you want to actually do is to add the specific item to your cart. What you want to do next is just keep on adding different products that you'll be selling from here. So we keep on looking. Let's go into multivitamins. People always buy those things. Therefore, it is a great thing for you to go and sell as well. So the first thing you want to do is to find the one that is selling pretty good. So this one is a top sell. I know this because I use those myself. Next thing you want to actually do here is to pick the correct size and add this specific item to your cart too. The reason why you keep on adding different things to the cart are pretty simple. You want to get a price point for the item itself and to find out exactly how much it is going to sell for by looking at the price differences. So we have two different products right now that I actually picked. Next thing you want to do is to write down the products that you actually picked and make sure that you always keep a watch on the price itself. So the next thing you'll actually be doing is listing this product in the other site that you'll be selling it at. So for example, if you'll be selling the same exact product on eBay, you want to make sure you keep a watch on the price because the price can change. And if this price actually changes in checkout, you gotta go and price your item much higher so you never actually lose money in the process. Now, if I was going to do this exactly, I would stay away from items that don't qualify for shipping. Because over here, you have to pay the shipping fee for it, which is a whooping $6 for this item. So you have to add this to the cost of the actual product itself. And therefore, it doesn't become beneficial for you to sell something like this unless you mark the item a lot higher. Therefore, what I recommend for you to do is to look for something else to sell. So sports and supplies right here, and pick the one I want to sell. I really like the camouflage skateboard right here, and I hope I can find one for a very good price. So here are some of the best selling products over here, and I'm just trying to find something that is as close to $35 range as I possibly can. Even if you can't find something very close to the $35 range, you might be able to find something very attractive that should be costing a lot more, such as this one. This is a very interesting looking design for a skateboard. Because it has those flamingos on it, this niche is only gonna work for a specific type of person who really likes that kind of a product. Therefore, let's go look in the skateboard business. Let's say we are gonna go into this business and just sell everything that is related with skateboards. So what you can do over here, you can sell the longboards, the trucks themselves, you can sell other accessories for it. And we are looking for good deals on a skateboard that looks kind of funky, looks interesting, and it's going for around $50 range. If we can find this product over here, we can list it and make a pretty good money in the process. So let's go and try to find a cheaper skateboard by looking at the $25 to $50 range right here. And here we go. We find a very interesting looking skateboard that it should be costing way more than 49 bucks. In fact, the first thing I want to actually do here is add this item to cart. We're going to be watching it, making sure this item stays within this price range. Here's another product just like it, and this one is going for 48. I can get started and create my own niche shop just selling skateboards online on eBay using justjet.com. So let's keep on adding different niche things that have something to do and related with skateboards. Here's another item as well. By keeping and getting at least 10 products that look very similar to each other, and plus they are very related, it's very likely that we're going to generate traffic and at least one of those products is going to sell. So this one right here, the next step for us is to price this. So how much should we actually sell this on our eBay site? Let's take this product, type it in, 39.56, multiply it by 0.3. That's going to be the hike that we are doing. So this is the amount of profit I want to make at least per product sold, because that's going to give me 1/3 of the profit for it. Now, you can definitely hike it up even more if you want to. In fact, if you want to get at least 16 bucks an hour for your time. So if you can list a bunch of products making at least 16 bucks per product, and you can sell a few of those every single day and automate this, think about how much money you can make every single day in the process. This is exactly what I suggest for you to do. So if you get $16 for every product you sell, and you at least sell 10 of them every single day, we're talking about a whooping 160 bucks a day that you can make in this business. Times 5 days a week, this is 800 bucks extra every single week that you can potentially make on selling those products. Now, to get to those very interesting margins and get to those amount of sales, you gotta list a bunch of stuff online. You can't just list 10 products. We are talking about listing at least 100 products and getting them to actually sell. So to make this kind of money online, you have to be pretty good at what you do. It's gonna take you a while before you get to this level, but this class teaches you the foundation how to do exactly that. Do everything I tell you step by step of the way, and you can at least get started making money with this process. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video.